We are here tonight with Asante, amen, you know, a member of the Builders Family Foundation, you know. My name is Jah Ghatti from the Builders Family. We are here tonight to endorse a new video that I've been shooting on this side the other night. Well, it's mad, it's off the hook, you know, say Builders artists, them not normal. And me, I represent, you know, me not normal. You understand me? I deal big up the Avalanche for and anywhere there in the world, my brother. Jadi, you don't know the whole of the Builders family. Yes, Asante, blessed love, man. Yes, man, brother. I love the energy in my lad. Jah no star, yeah, man. Man, you introduce them two songs. Them two songs the way you just video night. We do them two songs, them powerful star. How do I get them knowledge of it? Bring across them songs.
Well, you know, I just want to give thanks for the moment. Give thanks for the coming out and the adding in, you know. Getting enough really was an inspiration when I check it really. Man and woman stories, I think we talk about all the time in the music. But more time, people don't really try to ask the same kind of question from a different angle. So, in writing a song, Getting Enough is really that. You check the perspective of sometimes when you really check the stories, enough empresses, when you tell them, say, well, I'm there with them king and them king are really up to par. But through them there with them, I really want to make the best side. And some kings talk likewise with them queen do the same thing. But more time you hear women speak up these things. So in even analysing that, I to myself then, why? Why you compromise certain things or overlook certain things where you would have naturally look for in a relationship? True, you say you're there with a king and different him check for you, even though him not fulfill certain things. What is the reasoning behind that? So me really just ask these questions now, to ask the sister them say, well, if I really you comfortable, even though you say you had 10 things on your list and a 3 you get out of it, you're comfortable, well, there's nothing wrong with that. But if you really know, say, in yourself, you really did one, say even 7, and you not get that, then why you still in the situation? Me just put out that question there to the sister then. So hence the song Getting Enough. You see what I say? The other two not only Rastafari it's straight, because I hail His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie the First, coming to the line of Judah, through King David, King Solomon, and to Yahshua HaMashiach likewise, and unto this day we say His Imperial Majesty come. We acknowledge the Israel line, we acknowledge the Black Judah line. You see my king? So through that now, and through we really revere His Majesty and revere the fulfillment of prophecy, we come so now and always have to give Isis. We never do nothing without the Imperial Majesty. We never do nothing without Jah, the divine creator and sustainer of all things. We never do nothing without that. Without the cosmic vibes there. So therefore, we would have to sing songs of praise. Just like the Christian them ever sing songs of praise and it's not an issue to nobody. Well, I as a Rastafari youth, I come defend that now. Singing songs of praise to what I defend as Rasta youth shouldn't be no different from a man who are here Christ and I sing Jesus song every day and I don't issue to nobody about them are sing pure Jesus song. Them to sing something different. Well, that may I come defend now. Rastafari if I sing songs to His Majesty and I feel no way about that. So I just stop me there for so that's why the song them would really have a passion there, because it's things that I hold on to dearly, sincerely. So I'm going to give that sincerity there in everything we do. So the video though, which is really a 2 song in 1 video, so we get the Getting Enough video dealing with the issues of the women, and the only Rastafari dealing with those who are of a sound and firm faith, whether Christian, whether Rasta, whether Buddha, whether Islam or otherwise. But you believe in what you believe in and you're serious about it, only Rastafari defend that, because we defend faith. Man to believe and man to know what they might deal with you. So I just that. So that's
Brother, for real, you know, give thanks. You know, the way you answer the question, star, I well enjoy.